This is video 2, Managing Your Account and Respecting the Security Measures of the Backend Platform of the EMM Survey Registry. The aim of this video is to explain how to properly manage your account to comply with the security measures for the backend platform. The conditions of use of the EMM Survey Registry and its metadata, which can be found and accessed via the EMM Survey Registry's landing page, details how users should use the EMM Survey Registry and its metadata. Specifically, these conditions of use in the Access Credentials and Confidentiality Agreement section include a provision that users who have been approved for and issued an account to access the backend platform shall agree to keep their registered information correct and up to date. Moreover, such users will have explicitly agreed to keep their registered information correct and up to date via the application form to request an account to access the backend platform. This is because, as part of filling out this application form, the then prospective user had to read the Access Credentials and Confidentiality Agreements section of the conditions of use of the EMM Survey Registry and its metadata, and then tick this box next to the statement, "I have read and agree with the above conditions of use relating to Access Credentials and Confidentiality Agreements." Now let's go ahead and take a look at how you can make sure your account's information is correct and up to date. First, you will need to log into your account. Once logged in, go to the upper right-hand corner of the welcome page of the backend platform and click on this upside-down arrow next to your username. Then, click on Profile from the drop-down menu that appears. After clicking on Profile, you should be directed to a new page, User Details, that displays various pieces of information related to your account. As a user, you will be able to update or change your country, as in your country of affiliation, name, email, which serves as your username, and password. To make updates or changes, click on this blue pen and paper icon in the upper right-hand side of the User Details page. You should then be directed to, once again, another new page, Update User, where you can make edits to your country, name, email, and/or password. For example, imagine I'm a user that recently changed employers and therefore need to change my country of affiliation and email address. I also want to take this opportunity to update my password since it's been a few months since I've changed it. I can make all of these changes by doing as follows. Once you're finished making all of your desired and necessary edits, click on Update User to validate these changes and exit out of the Update User page. Update and continue editing can also be used, but this would be for if you wanted to save your work while making changes to your user details. If you clicked on Update User, you should be directed back to the User Details page. This also means that all the changes you have made have gone through. The final step you need to take then, assuming you don't need to contribute any metadata to the EMM Survey Registry, is to log out of your account. As a reminder, whenever you need to update your user details, you can follow and use the steps that have been shown just now. Finally, in the case you forget your password and are no longer able to log into your account, please email the administrators of the EMM Survey Registry at shock.project@sciencespo.fr with the subject line "Forgot Password" with your username in parentheses. This is because this feature, Forgot Your Password, is not available in the current version of the EMM Survey Registry. This concludes Video 2, Managing Your Account and Respecting the Security Measures of the Backend Platform of the EMM Survey Registry.